Hopping down the bunny trail, hippity hopping, Easter's on its way.
Wabbit's got a carrot.
Help me! Fucking walking, shut up! There's gonna be some fucking guns here.
5 minutes time, we're starting.
Right, Jordy, check one.
Help! I need help! I need lots of help!
What?
She's okay, she's back on it.
Ow!
Right, so we need to cover him for 5 minutes then, basically. Without him getting...
That no man ready!
I'm a bastard! You had me in here for 3 minutes, so you've got 2 minutes of time left.
Yeah.
Wait, non-ban to the fridge! Non-ban.
Yeah,
We're chilling.
Fucking hell! Don't shoot!
What the fuck's going on in here?
I'm trying to move body parts out my way because one's penetrating me.
Well, that's not very good. 3, 2, 1. Endix! Oh my god, that's fucking warm. I was trying to go for that and shoot you in the nuts.
I put it on safe just in case.
Did you? You dirty bastard!
Because I knew you would.
You saw me.